This is Lukuli Road. We are starting this video from here. This is part of Lukuli Road, yeah? But we are going to go up here and explore Makindye. I had a person or two who requested for Makindye, so here we are, guys. I am going to show you around Makindye. So hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in today. Sheila here as usual. Today is a Makindye day, so I'm going to show you what is going on, the developments they have, what has changed. If you haven't been here in a while, today is your chance to see how Makindye looks like. If you had an idea of Makindye but you were not sure what goes on here, today is your chance to see what is going on. Starting off, this road is clean. Do you see? The dust is not as crazy as the streets that we usually use. You know what I mean? I think it's because of the grass. You see the impact of the grass. I know we keep on talking about the grass in the comment section, and then the pavements or the sidewalks. You see the impact they have. There is literally no dust. The area is clean. Anyway, moving forward. So this is the road that connects from Lukuli Road down there to this road up here. This road is the one that leads to, on the left, you will see on the left, it leads to Makindye Country Club, it leads to Chizungu, it leads to the Fangon base. I'm not sure if it's still there, but yeah, this is the road that used to lead, yeah. Latitude 0 degrees, this is the road. But then we were taking the right since we were heading back to Mengo. I had some things to pick from there, so heading back to Mengo. That is Kampala City over there. Do you see the buildings over there? There is the Marriott Hotel, and then the new NSSF building that is under construction and everything. So this is Makindye. Whichever idea that you had about Makindye, it is time to change it. It is time to change it. Well, I know behind the buildings, it's definitely a different story. Behind the buildings, it's definitely a different story. But hey, let us enjoy the road and the buildings and everything. So the drainage system is the open drainage. As you can see, yes, we do have to talk about the drainage because the drainage is part of the road. It is the open drainage system, same as the one on Gayaza Road. For those who have watched the video of Gayaza Road, those who have watched the video of Bombo Road, the video of Wakitso, the other part, open drainage. There is that building over there. It is a mall. It has quite a lot going on, shops and salons and liquor stores and all that. Then on the right, on the left, that is a club. I once went there for silent disco, though it had a different name on that one. On the right, that is the barracks. That is the Makindye barracks. This is where they held the opposition president at some point some years back. You remember when people came and they were rioting? We want the president. We want the president. That is the Makindye military barracks of Makindye on the right. So these are the lights. Of course, we are not going to stop on the lights. Come on, it is a boda. That is not even something you have to think about anymore when you're on a boda. So anyway, this is the junction where we started the video for Salama Road. We took that road down there. Then this other side takes you to Lukuli Road still. If you continue with it, it can lead you to where we have started. We've just passed by Chicken Tonight. We all know the business of Chicken Tonight has also withstood the test of time. Whoever is managing, whoever is in the books, they are not letting go. Just like the Kenjoy, the recent Nansana video I talked about Kenjoy. Those businesses have been here for a while. We do have, it used to be Climax on the right. You see where you see the Vivati, where you see the iron sheets. It used to be Climax. But I think it's going to change to something else. Do you see? The name Climax was taken off. Then we have the iron sheets. It means they have some ongoing construction. So I think it is safe to say goodbye to Climax, and then let's get ready for whatever else is coming. Just like I talked about in the video for Ginger, I do not know why businesses fail, most especially the bar businesses. Anyway, we have KFC here. Makindye has KFC, guys. Makindye has KFC, and guess what? There was no KFC in Nansana. Makindye has KFC. Gayaza Road has KFC. Chirika has KFC. Oh, we all the videos that I've been posting, just in case you've been following, I think you've been seeing. Nansana does not have KFC banange. Anyway, let's leave that at that. So guys, as I was saying, I do not know why the bar businesses fail. Someone mentioned that maybe the drinks that the people, that the waiters bring to the table are not really the bad drinks or whatever. But if you've been through Makindye on a good day of Climax, the whole street is full. Like, the whole street is full. But now look, it is changing to something else. Anyway, let us move on. That road there on the right, it leads you to Nsambya. It can lead you to Nsambya if you take that road on the right. If you keep going, it can lead you to Nsambya. Then on the left, that is the police of Chibuya. The police station of Chibuya on the left. So this is Chibuya. This is the roundabout of Chibuya. That is the Airtel clock. Airtel got the contract of all the roundabouts in Kampala, because there is also one in Wampeo Avenue. It is still Airtel. Mbarara, wherever, as long as there is a big roundabout, Airtel is there. So that is Entebbe Road. If you take that side, that is Entebbe Road. We do have a video from here to Kajansi, from Chibuya to Kajansi. It's there among the videos. If you take that side, that is on the right, it takes you to Kampala town city center, or it takes you back to Makindye, because obviously it's a roundabout. So this is Chibuya. We are in Chibuya. We do have Chibuya market over here on the left. That is the market of Chibuya. It is quite big when you go inside there. It continues way down to the railway tracks. That's the market of Chibuya. Then there is a taxi stage. Taxi stage somewhere there after the wooden door frames. There is a taxi stage. Is this the one they call Eyennatete or Eyennatete? Simanyi banange sibalimba, but there are some taxis over there. There is like a park. There is a park somewhere there. Park Eyennatete or park Chibuya. There you see the taxis there lined up, yeah, on the left. Then here, obviously, we are approaching Mengo, because if you've been here a while, you know that Mengo is where I stay. So most of the videos when I'm going back home, we are definitely going to Mengo. This is Chibuya. People usually buy in the morning, like early morning. You find a lot of matoke lined up there, like matoke trucks bring matoke. That is where people kusubula matoke from. Yokusubula bakuita batya mu luzungu. That is where people kusubula. Guys, I've forgotten the word in English. Okusubula yagenze kusubula mukamanze mundeke. Anyway, on the left we have Zing Zing. Zing Zing has been there for quite a while. The building on the left is Zing Zing. Then there on the right, if you take that road, it leads you to where? It leads you to Chisenyi. It leads you to Chisenyi, or if you keep on going, it leads you to where we are. I'll show you the junction where we are going to meet. There. So moving forward, on the right, that is, on the left, that is Victory Center. It is a church for pastor who I've forgotten the name. Victory Church, Victory Center. Then on the right, that is the palace. On the right is Renovating Kabaka. On the right, all through the right, until where I tell you that the palace is no more. This is the palace now on the right until when I say that it is over. Then on the left, this building has been there for quite a while. I think they sell spare parts or things like that. Then we have some ongoing construction. Obviously, if you see the green nets and all that, then that is a hotel. That's a hotel, I think. I think. It has also been there for quite a while. Then we are soon approaching the church that made news when they broke it down. When they broke it down, people were, this is the hotel. But the other one is also a hotel. In case I'm wrong, please correct me because I do not stay this side. That church there, the land is still under wrangles and conflicts, so they had to break down the church. And then people were like, how can you break down the church that is older than you? Blah, blah, blah. It made news at some point. Over there is the lake, the man-made lake, the Kabaka's lake. We do have 2 videos about it, just in case you would like to watch it extensively. This is still the palace, guys. I told you the right side is going to be the palace until I say that no more palace now. That is all the land of the king. Actually, that is the home of the king. Most of the land in central Buganda is Kabaka's land, which I assume is the king's land, right? Takaria Kabaka. Anyway, moving forward, the Kabaka's lake, the man-made lake, is under the road. The road is under reconstruction. The previous video we made, I was telling you how they were going to renovate the lake. Pastor Kayanja and some other people are going to renovate the lake. So the roads around the lake is under renovation. You see there, yeah, that's the road. Under renovation, under construction. And then I think they're taking out all the rubbish and the litter from the lake. So it's going to be better when they're done. Like when the project is done, I think I'll pass by and I'll show you how it is, because we have a video of the before when the lake was full of silt and rubbish and all that. But they are working on it now to restore it so that it's all nice and shiny again, and the road as well, because the road has also been crazy. So the right is still the palace, guys. Kabaka's palace. We do have a video about Kabaka's palace. Yeah, it's about a year ago. Maybe I'll make a new one, because of course I stay in Mengo, so it wouldn't be difficult for me to drop by and make a new one. So let me know, guys, if you would like another video of the Kabaka's palace, though I do have one for 1 year ago. So the other road that I told you that I'll show you where it leads, this is where it leads. And we've left the Kabaka's palace now. It is no longer the Kabaka's palace. Now we are sloping down, going to Mengo. We just passed by Kenlon on the left, Kenlon Hotel. Kenlon Hotel has also withstood the test of time. I remember it back in the day, way back in the day. It was well known for the steam and the sauna. Kenlon has also withstood the test of time. Moving forward, on the left there, that small white truck, they sell pancakes. They sell pancakes, and then usually the traffic officers who stand this side are usually there, yeah. Then we do have City Parents Primary School over there on the right. City Parents School on the right. We do have this guy was like, put me in the video, so yes, I put him in the video. We do have KCC of Rubaga. That is KCC of Rubaga. KCC of Rubaga, that is where it is. Then what do we have here? We have a university. Actually, we have 2 universities here. We have apartments over there, obviously, because this whole place is now full of the Eritreans and the Somalis, yeah? So we have apartments popping up. We do have 2 universities. We do have Team University on the left. You are going to see that is Team University on the left. And then we have Nkumba University, Kampala campus on the right. So I don't know, maybe the students meet sometimes and they exchange notes or something. Because they are literally just opposite each other. But anyway, those are the long drums of the Kabaka. The Kabaka is the king. Those are his long drums. Nobody passes through apart from the king himself. Engarabi za Kabaka. So if you take the right takes you to Red Cross. If you've been here in Red Cross Rubaga, the right, sorry, that's the left. Yeah, sorry. The left takes you to Red Cross, and then it takes you to where we started our video of Wankulukuku, from Wankulukuku to Kajansi. If you've watched that video, there. Then on the right we have just passed by Hera Hotel. Hera Hotel was one of the places that were operating during lockdown. Guys, I think I knew all the places that were operating during lockdown. By lockdown, I mean those days of curfew when those days of curfew when we were not supposed to be outside and whatnot. I knew all the places back then because there was nowhere I was staying in the house. We have Uganda Telecom there on the left, Uganda Telecom Network. We have just passed by the court on the right. The court is opposite Uganda Telecom. The court of Mengo. A court that is in Mengo. We've just passed by it. It is where the Mfudu used to be. The tortoises. It's where the tortoises used to be. But the last time I went there, I didn't see them. So I do not know where they put them. But this is Mengo, guys. This is how Mengo looks like right now. We have apartments and apartments and apartments all over the place. And as I told you, the area is now filled with Eritreans and Somalis. So obviously they can afford the apartments. And they really, really pay well, you know what I mean? So on the right, we have Beaver Organic. If you've been hearing about it, but you didn't know where it was, we have it on the right. We've just passed by it. The green building, yeah, there, over there. If you take the left, the road on the left, it leads you to Wankulukuku as well. There, down there, almost where we started the other video from. That road on the left. Then the road on the right takes you up to Mengo, because now we are in Mengo. So this is all Mengo, Rubaga, and all that. So the road on the left takes you to Mutesa Royal University. And there are 2 universities there as well. There is Mutesa Royal and there is another one, I've forgotten the name, but there are 2 universities there. Then we have the Mengo market on the right, though during day it's not so active, but Mengo market is usually there at night on the right. So this is Mengo. This is how Mengo looks like. Mengo. And this brings us to the end of our video, guys. So thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed the journey, please give me a thumbs up. Please share with other people. Please subscribe. Drop me a comment and let me know what you think. And the areas you would like to watch. So that is Fofa House on the left over there. I'll be seeing you in our next video. Thank you for being here. Bye bye.